to THRS News Desk. This is Varshini, your host for this month. Schools reopen after 19 months due to COVID-19.
Students excited, parents worried as schools reopened for all classes. Even though parents and students are worried about the spread of COVID, it is necessary for the children to acquire their knowledge. All states are trying their best to reopen the schools, and it is important for the students to maintain social distancing and wear their masks in order to protect them. Thank you. This is Abhay for THRS News Desk.
CBSE has introduced term 1 exams for the board classes, and the exams have just begun in the last week of November.
Class 10th and 12th boards. It is once again the time of the year as Class 10th and 12th students face their CBSE board exams. CBSE has announced that the paper will be objective type and the duration of the tests will be 90 minutes. Class 10 boards will begin on November 20th and end on December 11th, whereas Class 12 exams will begin on December 1st and end on December 22nd. Thank you. This is Rhea of Class 8 from THRS News Desk.
Now let's hear the ICC Men's T20 World Cup updates.
The 2021 ICC Men's T20 World Cup was the 7th ICC Men's T20 World Cup tournament, with the matches played in the United Arab Emirates and Oman from the 17th October to the 14th November 2021. The West Indies were the defending champions, but were eventually eliminated in the Super 12 stage dates 17th October to the 14th November 2021. This is Boni Sabu of Class 8B for the THRS News Desk.
The Eiffel Tower gets taller by up to 6 inches during the summer when the temperature reaches as high as 40 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat causes the metal at the base to expand, increasing the height of the 300-meter tall tower. It also causes the top of the tower to tilt away from the sun by up to 7 inches.
Hawaii moves 7.5 cm closer to Alaska every year. The Earth's crust is split into gigantic pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, propelled by currents in the Earth's upper mantle. Hot, less dense rocks rises before cooling and sinking, giving rise to circular convection currents which acts like giant conveyor belts. Slowly shifting the tectonic plates above them, Hawaii is situated in the middle of Pacific Plate, which is slowly drifting northwest towards the North American Plate. Back to Alaska, the plate's pace is comparable to the speed at which our fingernails grow. Thank you.
Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. A dance competition was held for the students of kindergarten to class 2. Costume, dance steps, expressions, props, and overall impact are the criteria based on which the winners were selected. The judges were posed with the tough duty to select 3 winners from the numerous graceful and energetic dancers. Thank you. This is Harjit of Class 3A for THRS News Desk.
Diwali is a festival of lights and joy. It is a symbol of hope for humanity. It brings compassion, inner joy, and the awareness of unity to all. The children of kindergarten and primary school celebrated Diwali by making paper diyas. Diya signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. The students also learned the significance of lighting diyas on Diwali. Thank you. This is Jafar Jarun of Class 3B for THRS News Desk.
Kirigami and origami are the Japanese art or technique of cutting and folding paper into objects or design. The origami-kirigami competition were held on 16th and 17th November for classes 1 and 2. The students actively participated and created unique shapes and structures to showcase their talents. Thank you. This is Kritik Krishna of Class 3A, THRS News Star.
The Constitution cannot protect us unless we protect the Constitution. THRS held a virtual interactive session which discussed the principles of Constitution for the students of Class 7 and 8.
Constitution Day, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in our country on 26th November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. In connection with the National Constitution Day program, Humanities Department had conducted a live interactive session for the students of classes 7 and 8. The session began with a welcome note by Mrs. Sarama MC, Humanities Department Head, followed by a live discussion on each values and principles enshrined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Students spoke about incidents happening in society which they were aware from visual media. It was really a peer teaching learning interactive session conducted on the occasion. The day served as a reminder to live by and promote these timeless values in our communities. Thank you. This is Anisha from THRS News Desk.
Children are the world's most valuable resource and our best hope for the future. The young, bold, and free-spirited souls of the Hyden School were elated to see the teachers amuse their students with music and dance.
This year's Children's Day was a memorable one for the students of THRS as they enjoyed various programs put up by the teachers. The tiny tots were amused by the dance and song performances. They enjoyed playing games like Hit the Pyramid, Find the Ball, Musical Chair, Frog Jump, Lemon and Spoon, and so on. Towards the end of the program, the children were given chocolates as a token of love. For the senior students, the day started with a morning prayer and they were entertained with the virtual performances. It was indeed an indelible one.
Thank you. This is Danya from THRS News Desk.
The Festival of Lights signifies peace and joy, light over darkness, and the victory of good over evil.
Diwali. The Festival of Lights was celebrated at the Hyden School with happiness and cheer. As part of the celebrations, interesting activities were conducted such as diya decoration, toranam making and rangoli designing in which children participated enthusiastically. The children displayed their ingeniousness through their colorful artworks. The students also got mindful of the culture and traditions. The creative artworks were showcased during a special Diwali assembly on 3rd November 2021. Our principal Pooja ma'am wished everyone an eco-friendly green Diwali, emphasizing the importance of nature. Thank you. This is Sahana for THRS News Desk.
Thank you. That's all for this month's news. This is Vashini signing off. Stay home, stay safe.
Audio Jungle.